Hi there, students. A swab as a noun, a countable noun, or to swab as a verb. Okay, a swab is a small piece of some sort of absorbent material, particularly on the end of a stick or something, that you use to clean a surface, or to clean the inside of a gun, or to apply a medicine, or to collect a sample. If you've ever done one of these lateral flow tests for COVID, you get some sort of stick with a little swab on the end, and you've got to stick that up your nose and take a sample, and then put this swab, the swab is the little bit of cotton wool, in a liquid, and then do various other things. So a swab, it's a small piece of absorbent material, particularly for cleaning a cut, for taking a sample, so that you can actually test it. So the nurse swabbed the cut on my shoulder. If you clean your ears, you use these cotton buds, these Q-tips, which effectively are swabs. You use it to swab the inside of your ear. Okay, so a swab, a small piece of soft material on a short stick. You use a cotton swab to clean your ear. So you take a sample with a swab. You can use a swab to clean the inside of a gun. This is normally a piece of material which is attached to a wire that you pull up and down the inside of the gun, or you could swab the inside of a cannon as well. Now, this word to swab is also used meaning to clean, particularly to clean with a mop. So I swabbed the floor of the kitchen. I washed the kitchen floor with a mop. Let's see, a swab is also a mop. This is a term from the Navy. So a mop is effectively a long stick with a piece of cloth on the end for cleaning, and that's a swab. So you could swab the kitchen, you could swab the floors, and they even use the phrase a swab to talk about a sailor who is a new recruit, because the only thing they get to do is to swab the decks. So you can use this to swab, meaning to wash, with a mop. But most normally a swab, it's something for medical use. Swabs come in a variety of sizes. They come with long handles, with short handles, with outer handles to clean a particular area or to test. They can be moistened with various different solutions or disinfectants. But the swab is normally for applying medication, for collecting samples, for testing. Yeah, it's normally just a little piece of typically cotton material, which you use in hospitals, in clinics, in laboratories. So the nurse took some of my blood, and then she used a cotton swab to clean the area. The police officer swabbed the suspect's hands for gunshot residue. Yeah, with a piece of cloth, he's going over it. Okay, so to swab, the nurse took my temperature, and then she used a swab to clean the thermometer. The detective took a swab of saliva from the suspect's mouth. The investigator swabbed the doorknob for DNA evidence. The laboratory technician swabbed the Petri dish with a cotton swab. The medical assistant swabbed the inside of my cheek to collect a sample. The vet used a swab to clean the dog's tail. Okay, so to swab, to clean with something, with a little piece of cotton. So as a medical procedure, or as technical jargon, yeah. The nurse will swab my arm before giving me the injection. Um, okay. He will swab the floor after the party is over. Okay, so to swab, a swab. Let's see, as to origin, we've got a Middle English word swabber, talking about a sailor who has to swab the decks. And then we've got a Middle Dutch word, zwabbed, meaning to splash or to sway. To swab, a swab, formality. I think I'm going to give it 6 in formality, but use it anywhere. So, swab.